Hello, good morning. Welcome to Cooking with Bach in Bach's Kitchen. Today I'm going to start my series of cooking with Goya product. And what we're going to do today is a very simple snack. It's a roasted chickpea snack. It's made with garbanzo bean. So let's get started. So what are the ingredients for this snack? It's chili powder, 15 ounce of Goya chickpea garbanzo beans, Goya olive oil, garlic powder, cumin powder, black pepper, and red pepper. So I drain and rinse a can of 15 ounce chickpea, rinse and drain. So we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a bowl, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Remember, you can adjust the seasoning to your taste, and you can add whatever else you want to put into this. And a little bit of black pepper, some crushed pepper to taste, and some sea salt. Mix this all up. And add your chickpea to it and mix it up. On a baking sheet, you're going to spread the chickpea onto it and put it in a 375-degree oven and roast it until it is nice and crunchy. How simple is that? And you can eat this as a snack, or put it on top of salad, things like that. The garbanzo bean roasted in the oven until it is crispy. So you can hear the crunch of it. And you just put it in an airtight container and eat as a snack whenever you feel like having potato chips or something like that. It's much healthier and very yummy. So if you have enjoyed this episode of cooking, please subscribe down there, and also I will have a copy of the recipe in the direction. You can cut and paste into your favorite recipe cookbook, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.